Okay, guys, today we will be doing a very own
Fidget
fidget tour with my new doll. So, let's get started. Can we start from the squishies? Okay, so here's one of my squishies. It's a cake.
Hi, baby.
It's a cake.
Let me watch it.
Mommy's YouTube channel.
I want to see.
Say hi, Bella. Are you gonna do a show, Bella?
And I also have this really cute pineapple.
That's you.
The
That's
squish
you
on this is like
good.
kind of good. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty
What are
good.
you reading, Viv?
It's like a 1, it's like 5 out of 10. This is so tiny. It's a pencil topper. It's a pencil topper, so like it has this little holder you can put on pencils. And it's so cute. The squish is like a 6 out of 10. And my pizza pen. It came with a pizza and a pen. It's a squishy. This is not my favorite squishy. It's not really, it doesn't really have a good squish. It's slow rising, which I do like about it. But like, there's not really anything else that I like. So that is like based off my squishies. That's all my squishies. I have way more, but I have no clue where they are. So let's jump more into the video. So, and my sister broke some. This little girl broke some. Don't like that. Here's my brand new dough ball I got from the Fidget headquarters, the Teachers Lounge, St. Louis, Missouri. Stop. So it's really cool. I really like it. It is one of my favorite fidgets that I have. Stop!
Guys.
So, yes, here is my brand new dough ball. I love it. It has the colors pink, blue, green,
yellow,
and red. Reddish orange.
Hey, did you introduce your friend?
Oh, and here's Jack. And so, yeah, let's do some more of my fidgets. So, here is my Putty Sense, Mix Up Putty Sense, and Putty. And I also got this at the teacher's headquarters, which is my all-time favorite fidget store. So, let's check it out. Oh. It smells like bubblegum. I'm smart. And root beer. Mostly like root beer.
Yeah, root beer. Because I drink root beer sometimes.
See? It smells pretty good.
Root beer.
No, don't eat it.
Sorry. I just wanted to eat it. That is not edible.
No, it's not. Even though it may look edible, it's not. Okay?
It's
no,
the exact opposite of edible.
So,
Daddy, can I have a drink?
with
Of
foam beads
Just
in
a-
it.
Water.
Milk. No milk. Please give me milk.
I love Fidget headquarters. It has like all my favorite fidgets, even Neatos. I really love Neatos. So yeah, let's get into the fidget caddy. This was just out of the box fidgets that I really like. Let's get to the less like fidgets, the in the box fidgets. So here I have my infinity cubes. Stop! My infinity cubes. Mint, strawberry, and pineapple. I decided on a name for this one. Mint, strawberry, pineapple, or banana. It could be either one.
The other one, the blue one.
This one?
The blue, that's this color.
I don't have that one. Remember, I traded it with someone?
Oh.
I had one more infinity cube, but I traded it with someone. And so, yeah. I like how this one has like a color like right here. No, stop. A color right here, like for that, like to put it all together, and like an outside color. It's really cool. You can flip it really easily. So yeah, those are my infinity cubes. But you know what I really like about infinity cubes?
Oh.
That you can make like these little stands with them. Like here. Oh.
Wow, that's so cool.
Here. It's like one of those stands that like the first place, second place, third place. Thanks, Jack. And then
Daddy, where's my milk?
And then you can
Give
also
me
make
my
it
milk.
look like this or this. I like it the upper way better. So yeah, those are just a few of my good fidgets. So let's put them back. This one will take a minute or so. Stop, Vivian. You're not the star of the show. You know that, right?
I know, I just want to be on your show, and you're saying, no, Vivi, no, Vivi. And I just want to be in the show.
Wasn't she in the show?
But she keeps saying no, she keeps saying mean, and she keeps saying mean words to me, and I don't like that.
You get to be in the show. That's it.
Okay, so let's get into my puppets. I have way more puppets
Where's my milk?
than just this one. It's so cool. I really like it. Jack, no. Jack, hold on just 1 second. Jack, can you go downstairs? And in the basement, there should be by the easel, there's a school thing. Like the baby, it's like a baby carriage or thing. You know where that is?
The crib?
Yeah, it's not the huge one. It's this kind of smaller one. And inside it is a mini puppet. So, please, thanks. So while he's doing that, let's pop some puppets. You know what I really like about this one? It's really pretty. Plus, it's like, here. I will be right back. Let's just pause the video for a second and see you later.